Hey dolls. Okay, so I apologize again for another video with no intro. I'm so sorry, but do y'all see this wig? Do y'all see that? Alright, so let's get into it. Okay, first of all, the company's name is Royalme.com, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. So as you can see, my package came via DHL. This is the box that the wig came in. Oh my god, you guys, the packaging is so pretty. I am a sucker for good packaging. And yeah, so it had this beautiful ribbon around it that I was struggling to take off, as you guys can see the frustration in my face. But anyway, once I opened it up, yes, I got some goodies. I believe I'm gonna be showing that to you right now, but this is the inside of the package. This is what your box is going to look like. Okay, no goodies. So it was just the wig, and oh my god, like I can't get over the construction of this wig. So yeah, it was just the packaging and also some paperwork just telling you about the wig and how to care for it, and also all of their social media, which is down below. So the wig does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it does have an elastic band already attached to it that you can actually take off if you want to. Okay, you guys, so one of the key things about this wig is the scalp. It is one of these new construction wigs that I've seen going around on YouTube with the fake scalp that I absolutely love. Now this is an ombre wig, and I will leave all of the specs to this wig down below in the description box so you guys can just go straight to it and order it. So here I am trying the wig on for you guys for the first time, and oh my god, all I did yeah, you see my face, all I did was adjust the adjustable straps in the back, and I did use the elastic band as well. I did not have to adjust it at all. I believe it's like on the first loop. So yeah, that's all I did to this wig, you guys. Like, I did not have to use the combs. I didn't use anything. But do you see that parting space all through the front of the wig? The parting space is amazing. I just can't get over how nice it looks, and I didn't even cut the lace off yet.
The wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past.
Okay, so you guys see me giggling on this video is because I was on the phone with my bestie. He had me cracking up. And yeah, this is going to be a really quick video, you guys, because I did not have to do much to this wig to make it look any more realistic than it already does. I'm showing you guys close-ups because I don't have this wig adhered to my head, but yet it just melts into my skin. All I did was just what you see. I flat ironed it a little bit. I used my irresistible mean curling wand around the parting space just to flatten it out because it had that wiggy feel on the top. You know, that bump. Y'all ladies know what I'm talking about. But I got that out, and look at the results. Like, this wig is so dope. I'm really impressed with the construction of the unit. And yeah, if you guys are interested, check down below in the description box. Click on that link. I'll try to have some coupon codes or something like that so you guys can save some money. And let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section, because I know y'all gonna have a lot to say. I love it, and I know you will as well. So on that note, don't forget to hit thumbs up on this video and comment again what you think about this unit, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Oh, we're living in the present. as bad.